Hello student, very good morning. Today we will start phylum Echinodermata. What is the meaning of phylum Echino? The meaning of Echino means spines, okay? And the meaning of dermata means skin. It means the skin is spiny, okay? It means skin is spiny. So many spines are present on the outer surface in between the pedicellariae present. Pedicellariae is the main feature of Echinodermata, okay? Now the meaning of Echinodermata means spines and skin, yani it means spiny skins present. Clear? Next, all are marine. All animals are marines, okay? Marines all. This is the main features of Echinoderms. All are marine. This one is also main character. Clear? All are marine. Next, triploblastic means three layer present. Triploblastic means 3 layer present. Which one? Ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. Okay. Next, body organization, organ system, body organization. Okay, means the body is made up of cell plus tissue plus organ system. Clear? Next, we will discuss that symmetry. That is the most important feature of Echinodermata. Symmetry. Which type of symmetry present? Clear? Give attention here. Bilateral symmetry give attention here. Bilateral symmetry present in larval stage, okay? This is the most important feature of Echinoderm for need. Okay, it is very important. Clear? Larva. But in adult stage, pentamerous यानी pentaradial or radial symmetry present. Why it is called radial symmetry present? Why it is called radial symmetry? Okay, because देखो see here, ये पेंटा 5 आर्म्स है, तो सिमिट्री क्या है? रेडियल का सिमिट्री क्या है कि किसी भी सेंट्रल एक्सिस से काटते तक 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो 5 ही तो 5 आर्म्स है ना, तो इसीलिए इसको बोलते हैं पेंटामेरस सिमिट्री या पेंटा रेडियल सिमिट्री लिखा हुआ आएगा. पेंटा रेडियल सिमिट्री कैसी है? पेंटा रेडियल. क्लियर है? ठीक है ना. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर्स इज coelom, enterocoelom. Enterocoelom is the type of true coelom. Okay, clear it? Enterocoelom is the type of true coelom that we already discussed. What is the coelom or true coelom or eucoelomate? Okay, what is the true coelom? When the space between the body wall and alimentary canal is surrounded by mesoderm, then it is called coelomate or true coelomate. Coelomate or true coelom or eucoelomate. And the types of true coelomate is enterocoelom. Okay, so coelom is enterocoelom. If only the option is which type of coelom present, then the option is true coelom, acoelomate or pseudocoelomate, then you can tick on the true coelom. But option is enterocoelom, schizocoelom, acoelom or pseudocoelom, then you will tick enterocoelom. Okay, so enterocoelom present. It's all, the echinodermates are deuterostomes. What is the meaning of deuterostome? Deuterostome, what is the meaning of deuterostome? When the anus is formed first from blastophore. From blastophore. When anus is formed first from blastophore. This is the blastophore. Okay. और एनस इससे जब पहले बनेगा तो उसको अपन क्या कहेंगे? ड्यूट्रोस्टोम. तो इट इज, तो एकाइनोडर्मेटा एनिमल्स आर ड्यूट्रोस्टोम्स एंड द सीलोम इज साइजो, ओ सॉरी, एंटेरोसीलोम. क्लियर इट? नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ एकाइनोडर्मेटा, दैट इज वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम प्रेजेंट. क्लियर? ओके. Water vascular system present. Where it has gone? These one. Water vascular system is the main features. Water vascular system present. And in which phylum water canal system present? The water canal system present in phylum Porifera. Remember it, where only it is the difference between water vascular and canal is, here is vascular and there is canal. So when water canals comes, then you will tick on the Porifera, and when the water vascular system, then you will tick on the echinodermata, means water vascular system present. This type of water vascular system in which ring canal present, that is ring canal, okay, that is radial canal, this one is radial canal, and this one is lateral canal. So many lateral canal, this one is lateral canal, and these are so many tubefits are present on lateral canal. Okay, lateral canal. You can see clearly from here. देखो, this one is ring canal. Okay, this one is radial canal. This one is lateral canal, and on lateral canal tubefit are present. These are tubefits. Okay, so you can see the tubefit here. What is the function of tubefit? Tubefits help in the locomotion. First major function of tubefit is help in the locomotion. Okay, so and the respiration occurs also by the tubefit. Okay, so remember it. जो इकाइनोडर्मेटा के अंदर जो लोकोमोशन होता है वो किसके द्वारा होता है? तो किसके द्वारा होगा? ट्यूबफिट के द्वारा लोकोमोशन होता है. ट्यूबफिट प्रेजेंट ऑन द लैटरल वॉल्स ऑफ द वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम. ठीक है, वन स्टोन कैनाल एंड वन मैट्रीपोराइट. इट इज ए वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम. ओके, द वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम इज मेड अप ऑफ रिंग कैनाल, रेडियल कैनाल, लैटरल कैनाल और ट्यूबफिट, स्टोन कैनाल एंड मैट्रीपोराइट. क्लियर इट? ठीक है. नाउ bilateral symmetry, blastopore present. Next main features is the mouth is present. 1 minute. Mouth is present on the ventral surface. It is also one of the most important character of the echinodermate. Mouth is present on the ventral surface and anus is present on the dorsal surface. Clear? Mouth present on ventral surface. But एनस प्रेजेंट ऑन dorsal surface. Clear it? Next features is mesodermal endoskeleton present, that is made up of calcareous plate, and the calcareous plate is called ossicles. Clear? The endoskeleton is mesodermal, mesodermal endoskeleton present. Clear it? एंडोस्केलेटन किसका बना हुआ है? मीजोडर्म का। और वो किससे बना हुआ है? खुद वो बना हुआ है किसे? कैल्केरियस प्लेट से बना हुआ रहता है, जिसे अपन क्या कहते हैं उन प्लेट को? दैट इज कॉल्ड ऑसिकल्स। इसको अपन क्या कहते हैं? ऑसिकल्स। क्लियर इट? ठीक है। एक्सक्रीशन इतना बड़ा फाइलम है, बट एक्सक्रीशन अकर्स बाय द बॉडी सरफेस। नो नर्वस सिस्टम इज वेल डेवलप्ड। एक्सक्रीशन अकर by body surface. Clear? Digestive system well developed, alimentary canal well developed, but excretory system is not well present. So excretion occurs by the body surface, and nervous system, that is also called in short form NBS. Nervous system is not well developed. Nervous system is poorly developed. Okay, it is poorly developed. Okay, next on the body surface is seizure like structure present, that is called pedicellariae. It is also called pedicellariae. Pedicellariae, one है तो pedicellariae, and the pedicellariae helps to clean the body and capturing of food. Okay, so this one is the also main feature of the echinodermata. So main feature of the echinodermata we will again discuss. One is body is spiny and all are marine. First feature, all are marine. Then can a water vascular system present, that is the most important feature of echinodermata. Okay, it is also deuterostome, androcoelom present. Clear? The mouth present on the ventral surface. जनरली माउथ कहाँ प्रेजेंट होता है ना? उनके एंटीरियर एंड पर प्रेजेंट होता है, यानी डोर्सल सरफेस पर प्रेजेंट होता है, बट इन echinodermata mouth present on ventral surface and anus present on the dorsal surface. Clear? एंड जो वाटर वास्कुलर सिस्टम में क्या प्रेजेंट है? ट्यूफिट प्रेजेंट होते हैं, दैट्स हेल्प इन द लोकोमोशन एंड रेस्पिरेशन. ओके, तो echinodermata में जो लोकोमोशन होता है वो किसके द्वारा होता है? ट्यूफिट के द्वारा. दैट इज द इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर. ओके, क्लियर? नेक्स्ट द पेडिसल स्केलेटन कैसा है? इंटरनल स्केलेटन कैसा है? मीजोडर्मल एंडोस्केलेटन. सॉरी, एंडो गलत लिख दिया मैंने, सॉरी. क्लियर? मीजोडर्मल एंडोस्केलेटन, ध्यान नहीं दिया मैंने, है ना? स्केलेटन. ओके, तो मीजोडर्मल एंडोस्केलेटन कैसा है? मीजोडर्मल किससे बना हुआ है? कैल्केरियस प्लेट से. और उन कैल्केरियस प्लेट को हम क्या कहते हैं? उन कैल्केरियस प्लेट को हम कहते हैं ऑसिकल्स. तो ऑसिकल्स से बना हुआ है. अब कई बार क्वेश्चन आएगा ना, किससे बना हुआ है जो ये काइनोडर्मेटा का एंडोस्केलेटन? तो एंडोस्केलेटन इज मेड अप ऑफ ऑसिकल्स, okay, that is mesodermal, okay, and ossicle is made up of calcareous plate. Clear? Excretions occurs by body surface, no well developed excretory system present, and the nervous system is also poorly developed, but digestive system well developed. Clear? Okay. Now development, indirect development, indirect. Development indirect, and fertilization external fertilization. Fertilization occurs external. You also remember it that they are deuterostome and coelom is androcoelom. Okay, but all phylum of invertebrates are cytocoelom or acoelomate or pseudocoelomate, but only Chianodermates are deuterostome and coelom is androcoelom, and all phylums are protostomes. Okay, but only one phylum, that is Echinodermata, is the deuterostomes. Means when the anus is formed first from blastophore. Blastophore. Fertilization external, development indirect. Indirect means when the larval stage present, then it is called indirect. Okay. The example of this one is starfish, that is also called Pentaceros. Starfish or Pentaceros. Clear? Second, you can see starfish. This is the starfish diagram. ठीक है, starfish के बाद next you can see sea urchin. Sea urchin, it is also called, next example, sea urchin, that is also called Echinus and Aristotle Lartain. It is also called Aristotle Lartain, or other name is Echinus. Next example, Cucumeria. Cucumeria, in which respiratory tree present. कुकुमेरिया में क्या प्रेजेंट है? रेस्पिरेटरी ट्री प्रेजेंट होता है, दैट इज द मेन फीचर. ओके, नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज, ये क्या हो गया, क्या टच हो गया? कुकुमेरिया में रेस्पिरेटरी ट्री प्रेजेंट होता है. एंड द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज Antedon, that is also called Antedon, that is also called sea lily. तो याद हो गया आपको Echinodermata. वन इज स्पाइनी डर्मेट्स, है ना, स्पाइनी डर्मेट, स्किन, स्पाइनी स्किन प्रेजेंट, then water-vascular system present, then locomotion occurs by the 2 feet, then respiration also occurs by the 2 feet, and the mouth is present on ventral surface, anus is present on the dorsal surface, and the coelom is androcoelom and the deuterostomes. Okay, and the endoskeleton is mesodermal, that is also called ossicles. Clear? Digestive system complete, but excretions occurs by the body surface, and the nervous system is poorly developed. Clear? Development indirect or जो डेवलपमेंट इनडायरेक्ट एंड एक्सटर्नल फर्टिलाइजेशन प्रेजेंट. तो डेवलपमेंट इनडायरेक्ट मीन्स लार्वल स्टेज प्रेजेंट. विच टाइप ऑफ लार्वा प्रेजेंट? लार्वा बाइपिनेरिया लार्वा. स्टार फिश का ये लार्वा, ये किसका है? इस स्टार फिश का लार्वा होता है. ये किसका है? इस स्टार फिश का लार्वा है, बाइपिनेरिया. देन इकाइनोप्लूटियस, इकाइनोप्लूटियस, ऑरिकुलेरिया, these are the larva of echinodermids. Okay, thank you very much. सर हो गया ना? अब एक और दूसरा दे दूँ, दो